work hard then.
Skip it.
Remember. Mark.
Good girl.
Bench. Ellen.
Skip it. You're doing an excellent job. I'm so proud of you.
Rail.
Okay, honey, you can stop right there. Let's see how you did. You did a wonderful job. Look how many sheets you read. You should be so proud of yourself. You want to know your score? You want to see how you did? Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you got a 2.6, which means that you are identifying words on a 2.6 level, which is exactly where you should be. Okay, we need to get this score up. So when Ms. Stauffer comes to do this test again with you at the end of May, I'm going to have her do them because she was the one who gave them to you in September. I want to see that up to a 3.0 so that you're ready for 3rd grade. So we know that you're ending this year ready for 3rd grade. Let's see how you did when the first time that you took this test. Okay, the first time you took this test, you were at a 1.0. Then you went up to a 2.2, and now you're up to a 2.6. So every time you've taken this test, you've made progress in your reading. Okay, so which means the next time you take it, I should see even more progress. So going from a 1.0 to a 2.6, that's excellent. That means that you are reading many more words than you did the first time. You should be so proud of yourself. So let's try to get that up to a 3.0. How do you think we can do that? How can we get this score up to a 3.0?
Reading.
Okay. When do you think you should be reading? Just when you're in school? Okay. How many minutes should you be reading every single night?
10 or 15.
Okay. Let's go for 20. How about that? You say 10 or 15, I say 20. So let's go for 20 minutes every single night. And I bet if you read for 20 minutes every single night, you could go from 2.6 to 3.0. You've already made so much progress. Let's make sure you're ready for 3rd grade, so I see you at that point for the end of the year. Okay? I'm so proud of you. You did a wonderful job. Let's see how you did. The first time you ever took this test back in September, you got a 2.7. Then you took it again and you got a 3.5, and now you're at a 4.4. That shows me that you're making a great deal of progress with your reading. Okay? Let's try to get this up to a 4.8 by the time Ms. Stauffer comes back at the end of May. How do you think you can get that up from a 4.4 to a 4.8?
Start reading books.
How often do you think you should do that? Do you think you should do it once in a while? Once a week?
4 times a day.
4 times a day? That's exciting. How about that you promise me every night for at least 20 minutes you read before you go to bed? Does that work? Do you have books at home that you could be reading every night for 20 minutes? Because that's on your homework packet, but I want to make sure that you're doing that because I think you can get up to a 4.8 by the end of May. Let's see if you can do that, okay? So that way, by the time you get to 3rd grade, you will be totally ready, okay?
Okay.
So let's make sure you're reading 5 times a week. When I start the home lending library, make sure you're taking books out from there, okay? And then take advantage of the books during independent silent reading in school. You're doing a wonderful job. I'm so proud of you. You can go to gym now. Okay?